Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a welcoming message for your bot. Let's get started. It is not a command, but an event. Make sure that you don't make an error in the code, or else it will not run at all. Make sure you copy the ID of the channel, or else it will not send the message, and it will print it instead in the terminal. I'm adding the print option, because if the bot does not get the channel, it will add it to the terminal. Sorry if I type a little slow. I'm not used to a 60% keyboard. Let's run the code. Let's invite DannyBot. This server design was inspired by Lucas. Yes, it worked. Thank you guys so much for watching, and all of the codes I have uploaded will be in my Discord, and it will be in the description.